Have you ever wondered how a small chain of islands on the edge of Asia became home to one of the most unique and influential cultures in the world? How it transformed from a land of samurai and shoguns into a modern nation of technology and innovation? And how its history, shaped by both isolation and contact with the outside world, created traditions that continue to fascinate us today. This is the story of Japan, a nation with a history stretching back thousands of years. The earliest human presence in Japan dates back tens of thousands of years, but the first well-known culture was the Jomon period, beginning around 14,000 BCE. These people lived as hunter-gatherers and are famous for their pottery, some of the oldest in the world. Over time, they were followed by the Yayoi period, starting around 300 BCE, when rice farming, metal tools, and new forms of social organization were introduced. With agriculture came permanent villages, and with villages came new leadership and growing complexity. By the 3rd and 4th centuries CE, Japan entered what is called the Kofun period, marked by giant burial mounds built for powerful rulers. During this time, the first form of centralized government began to emerge, and the Yamato clan rose to dominance. From this clan came the Japanese imperial family, which still exists today and is considered the oldest continuous hereditary monarchy in the world. Buddhism arrived from the Asian mainland in the 6th century, along with Chinese writing, political ideas, and cultural influences. These new ideas mixed with Japan's native Shinto beliefs and reshaped society. In the centuries that followed, Japan built its own distinct identity, blending outside influence with homegrown traditions. Cities like Nara and later Kyoto became political and cultural centers, filled with temples, gardens, and art that still inspire people today. From the late 12th century, Japan entered the age of the samurai. Military leaders known as shoguns held real power, while the emperor remained a symbolic figure. Under the Kamakura shogunate, and later the Ashikaga and Tokugawa, Japan became a feudal society. Samurai warriors followed a strict code of loyalty, honor, and discipline, known later as Bushido. They served powerful lords called daimyo, and together they kept order in a land that was often divided by conflict. During this era, Japanese culture flourished. The art of the tea ceremony developed, along with no and kabuki theater, ink painting, haiku poetry, and traditional gardens. Castles rose across the countryside, blending military strength with elegant design. And in the 16th century, Japan had its first direct encounters with Europeans, who brought firearms, Christianity, and new technologies. For a brief time, trade and cultural exchange with the outside world grew, but this period did not last. In the early 1600s, Tokugawa Ieyasu unified Japan under his rule, establishing the Tokugawa shogunate. To maintain stability, the shoguns chose isolation. For more than 250 years, Japan closed itself off from most of the world. Foreign trade was strictly limited, and foreign influence was carefully controlled. Within this isolation, Japan developed a unique culture of peace and order. Edo, now known as Tokyo, became one of the largest cities in the world. Arts like ukiyo-e woodblock prints, kabuki theater, and haiku poetry thrived. For ordinary people, life was stable but strictly regulated. This long isolation ended in the mid-19th century, when American ships led by Commodore Matthew Perry forced Japan to open its ports to international trade. The shock of foreign power convinced many that Japan needed to modernize or risk being conquered. In 1868, the Tokugawa shogunate fell, and power was restored to the emperor in what is called the Meiji Restoration. The Meiji era transformed Japan almost overnight. The country adopted modern industry, railways, and factories. It reformed its government, education, and military, drawing inspiration from Western nations while maintaining its own traditions. In just a few decades, Japan rose from a feudal society to a modern industrial power. This rapid modernization also turned Japan into an imperial power. It defeated China in the Sino-Japanese War and shocked the world by defeating Russia in 1905, proving that an Asian nation could rival the great powers of Europe. By the early 20th century, Japan had built its own empire, stretching across parts of Asia and the Pacific, but expansion brought conflict. During World War II, Japan allied with Germany and Italy, seeking to dominate Asia. The war devastated the country. Cities were bombed, millions suffered, and in 1945 Japan became the first and only nation to experience atomic bombings in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The surrender that followed marked the end of the war and the collapse of Japan's empire. After the war, Japan underwent a dramatic transformation once again. With help from the United States, it rebuilt its economy, adopted a new constitution, and embraced democracy. In just a few decades, Japan rose from the ashes of war to become one of the world's leading economies. Its industries produced cars, electronics, and technology that spread across the globe. Modern Japan is a country where tradition and innovation live side by side. Ancient temples stand next to skyscrapers. Traditional festivals and tea ceremonies coexist with robotics and high-speed trains. The culture of samurai and poets survives in spirit, while anime, video games, and pop culture shape global trends today. Japan's history is one of constant transformation, shaped by both isolation and openness, by war and peace, by tradition and modernization. From the Jomon potters to the samurai, from the shoguns of Edo to the innovators of Tokyo, Japan's story is one of resilience, creativity, and reinvention. And while its past is full of struggle and change, its legacy continues to inspire the world. The story of Japan reminds us that even on a small group of islands, a civilization can rise to global influence through adaptability, determination, and vision.